Hello once again, people, good people out there, people who've subscribed to this channel and those who are yet to subscribe because of the knowledge that is attracting them from all corners of YouTube. So, welcome again, and if you've not yet subscribed, I hope you're going to subscribe before this video ends, or even right now, later, anytime. Just feel free and subscribe and click on the notification icon. Otherwise, today I want to talk about something that I've been requesting you people to ask me questions on what I should talk about in relation to graphic design. And last week and the previous 3 or 4 videos that I've done was about somebody who asked me about how to do skin retouching, how you better do that. And then we've done 3 videos of, I think 4 videos on that particular topic. And we still going to continue perfecting those skills of others. Just follow the tips on those videos. The links are in the description below. However, for today, there are 2 other questions that I decided I should link them into actually one video. I will answer them into this particular video, and I hope to make it short and brief. The first one is Mona Mude, who said, Sira logolo sameyo in Sogeli. So she's actually speaking Somalian. She's asking me, how do you design a logo? So with that particular question, the answer to that question shouldn't be how. Yeah, it will go how is later. So we start with where first, because how depends on where. So which software you're going to use, which is actually another question asked to me by somebody called Yasir, saying, bro, tell me which software to use. So I should name them here, please. So these 2 questions come together because of the softwares that you're going to use. So each specific software has the purposes for doing that. So for example, Yasir asking which softwares to use, and Mona, she's asking how do you make a logo. So this, for me, I'll say the software that I use to make a logo is Adobe Illustrator, and sometimes I do it in Photoshop, and sometimes I even go further to make it in Cinema 4D. So just to come up with a logo, it depends on the output. So each software has specific purposes. For this particular video, I'm going to talk about the Adobe related softwares. I will not talk about all of them, but the mostly used by me, because I'll not talk about the things that I do not use. I use Adobe Photoshop specifically for making flyers, posters, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails. I edit photos, the retouch, the skin retouch, those kind of things. The photo editing features, the things. I make GIFs using Photoshop. So the GIF forever GIF, the GIF extension, the one that looks like video, because Photoshop has an option where you can do videos on Photoshop, but you need to be very patient, and your computer also has to have enough power in terms of the RAM, the speed, and those kind of things. So I use Photoshop specifically for editing pictures, making posters, making banners, designing those kind of designs. And I use Adobe Illustrator to make logos, to make publications like magazines. Though magazines I use it in Adobe InDesign, but sometimes to make it faster, I have already done those kind of short kind of reports, and then I just post them as images, and then export them into a booklet PDF format using Illustrator. I've seen people printing DVD banners and those movie posters using Adobe Illustrator. They design them in Photoshop, but then they want to bulk print them, so they have to make it into PDF. So they go to Adobe Illustrator, and then they do that. For Adobe InDesign, I use it for publication purposes, books. I've not done any books so far, but I've done reports. I've done magazine. I've done a newspaper. those kind of things. You can, those book stationery related things. I also use Photoshop for business cards. The marketing tools, by the way, anything for marketing, I use Photoshop. Specifically, Illustrator, I do logos and those kind of things. I extrude them into vectors because of that vector effect, though the vector has been added also in Photoshop 2021, but I've still not been accustomed to it yet. So I'm so much used with the vector formats in Illustrator. I will do maybe tutorials on that in future, God willing. But for now, those are the things that I use. I use Adobe Premiere for video editing. Just short, like this video is being edited on Adobe Premiere. I do After Effects for also video editing. The motion graphics, I do them there. And then I've tried to do character animation. I've done with I think it's Adobe Character something. And then Adobe Animator also. I've just not done like fully commercial thing, just trials, because the thing is, you have to have a specific niche. You cannot master everything when it comes to design. You have to specify whether you're a motion designer or you're doing these still kind of designs. You have to also specify whether you're going to be doing kind of logos, you're going to be doing publications, you're going to be doing stationery, you're going to be doing marketing tools, you're going to be doing the UI, user interfaces, those kind of things. It is a specific master. You cannot, like, it is an ocean, so you have to specify in specific areas. And this depends on the tools that you have to do, because some of the tools are so extensive, like Photoshop. Me, I'm not yet in the levels where you can, like my good friend whom I watch his videos so much, Anmesh Dinda. I'm not yet to that level. I'm not yet to the level of the Flan team. I'm not yet to that level of those kind of things with Gorilla, Grayscale Gorilla. I'm not yet to that level, but I aspire to be to that level. How do you aspire to be there? By learning, by immersing yourself into this kind of tools, knowing their names, going to YouTube, like particularly this channel and other channels alike, subscribe, click on the bell icon. Always look out on those kind of tutorials, because as I remember, I don't think these kind of things are being taught in schools as much as we expect them to be taught there. They're being taught to the basic levels, but when it comes to the market trends, you have to learn it by yourself. So it's a challenge that we have to always be in the look, and then by being on the look is trying to be updated by what is happening in the market. So those are the softwares that I use at the moment. And in relation to Adobe, I use other softwares like the Maxon Cinema 4D, the Blackmagic, DaVinci for film editing and those kind of things. But specifically for graphics and Adobe related tools, those are the software that I mostly use. At the moment, I'm still learning. Yeah, by the way, I'm learning something with the UI, the user interface, how to do mobile applications and web applications. And the design level, not the coding level. The coding level is, I'm going to be doing it in future. Yeah, that's a challenge because it needs time, by the way. Maybe you can tell me what you're doing. And I think with this, up to this particular juncture, I've addressed the two questions. How you make a logo, you just go to InDesign. Not InDesign, Adobe Illustrator is the best software for that. The best softwares for this other kind of marketing related posts and tools and those kind of branding tools, go to Adobe Photoshop. For videos, you can go to Adobe Premiere. For motion graphics, you can go to Adobe After Effects. For characters and cartoon animations, you can go to Adobe Animate and Character Animator. You can do that. I believe with that, we are done with this video. Just click on that subscribe icon, subscribe to this channel, click on the bell icon so that you get notified whenever we upload any other videos on this channel. Till we meet again, bye bye.